In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a report for the Accounts Payable Aging Summary in QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to generate this report can be incredibly useful for keeping track of what your business owes to its vendors and suppliers. So, let's dive right into the process. To begin, start by navigating to the left-hand panel on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll find several options, but the one we're interested in is labeled Reports. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a new part of the interface where QuickBooks neatly organizes all types of reports available to you. Once you're in the Reports section, your screen will display a few tabs. Look for the Standard Reports tab. It's your next step. Click on it to access a comprehensive list of all standard reports available in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks has done a great job in categorizing these reports, making it easier for you to find exactly what you need. Now, here's where you need to focus a bit. You'll want to scroll down through the list until you spot a category called What You Owe. This section is specifically tailored to help you track any outstanding payments or liabilities your business might have. Within this section, you'll find our report of interest, the Accounts Payable Aging Summary. Go ahead and click on the Accounts Payable Aging Summary report. When you do this, QuickBooks will start compiling the necessary data to generate your report. This may take a moment, as QuickBooks is pulling together all the relevant information regarding your payables. Be patient. The loading time can vary depending on the volume of data your business has. And there you have it. A detailed Accounts Payable Aging Summary is all set for you to review. This report provides a clear breakdown of who you owe, how much, and the timelines associated with these payables. Studying this report can give you insights into your cash flow, help prioritize payments, and anticipate future financial obligations. Remember, keeping a close eye on payables is not just about making timely payments, but also managing relationships with your suppliers and maintaining good credit terms. That's all there is to it. Running an Accounts Payable Aging Summary in QuickBooks Online is that straightforward. With just a few clicks, you have everything you need to keep your finances in check and ensure that your business remains in healthy standing with its financial commitments. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.